Homographs challenge. Listen and repeat sentences. Try pronouncing these sentences if you dare. I'll say them first, then you copy me. Let's go. The doves dove onto the feeding table. I'll shed a tear if I tear the painting. Our shower is coming to show me a new shower. The rebel rebels. I'm going to record a new record. You read the red book. I've already read the red book. The beef pasty looks a bit pasty. I'll sow the seeds next to the sow pen. He moped because he crashed his moped. I'm not close enough. I can't close the door. My teacher isn't content with the content of my essay. The invalid's parking badge was invalid. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more activities.